Hi, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my tutorial video. This video is a step-by-step process on how to use Messenger bot as a car dealership. Follow the step, and after watching this video you can make your own car dealership using the Messenger bot application inside your Facebook Messenger. In the Messenger bot dashboard, select Flow Builder to create a car dealership business application using Messenger bot through Facebook Messenger. Click Create New Flow. Enter the name of the flow you will create and select your new flows page, and click OK when done. The Flow Builder has 4 parts. Editor screen. This is where you will place your components and do your flow setup. Dock menu. You can create components using the dock menu by dragging the component from the dock menu and dropping it on the editor screen. You can also minimize and maximize it by double-clicking. Components. This is the building block of your flow. Each component has input and output sockets. You can connect each component to one another by connecting compatible input and output sockets. Control buttons. This part contains 4 buttons for the primary operation of the Flow Builder. You can save, arrange, send a test. Creating a component. You can create a component using the dock menu by dragging your chosen component then dropping it on the editor screen. You can also create a component by right-clicking anywhere on the editor screen, then the context menu will show. Once the context menu appears, simply click on your chosen component and it will be created on the editor screen. Start bot flow is the beginning of the flow where the first component connects. It has 2 sockets, the trigger and the next. And its configure reference is providing the title of your flow. Choose labels, choose sequence, and click OK. The text component will allow you to reply to text content only. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies. And its configure text message is providing your reply message. Enable typing on display, and click OK. The image component will allow you to reply with an image. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. Its configure image is to upload images. Enable typing on display, and click OK. Generic template component will allow you to reply with an image, or title and subtitle, or all. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies. And its configure generic template is to upload an image, or you can click the image destination link, provide title or subtitle, enable typing on display, and click OK. The Carousel component will allow you to reply with a carousel. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, items, quick replies. And the carousel configure is enable typing on display and click OK. Carousel single component will allow you to reply with an image, or title and subtitle, or all. It has 1 input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply. Output, button. And its carousel image configuration is to upload the image or click the image destination link, provide title or subtitle, and click OK. The audio component will allow you to reply with an audio file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. And its configure audio uploads an audio file, enable typing on display, and click OK. The video component will allow you to reply with a video file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. The video configuration is to upload a video file, enable typing on display and click OK. File component will allow you to reply with a file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. And the file configuration is uploading the file, enable typing on display and click OK. Facebook Media Component will allow you to reply by referring to a Facebook page. It has one input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies. And provide Facebook Media URL, enable typing on display, then click OK. Ecommerce Component will allow you to reply by referring to an e-commerce shop and its products as a carousel or generic reply. It has one input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. And its e-commerce configuration is select your page, select your products for the carousel. Generic reply, provide buy now button text, enable typing on display, then click OK. User Input Flow Component will allow you to reply with a user input flow. It has only one input socket. Input, reply. Configure User Input Flow is providing user input flow, enable typing on display, and click OK. OTN Component will allow you to reply with one-time notification. It has one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, next. Configure one-time notification is providing title, select OTN Postback ID, enable typing on display, and click OK. Button Component will allow you to reply with a button. It has only one input and 1 output. Input, reply, output, next. Configure Button is providing button text, select button type, and click OK. Quick Reply Component will allow you to reply quickly creating a new postback, using an existing postback, using your Facebook page's phone number or email address. It has only one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, new postback. Configure Quick Reply by selecting Quick Reply type, then click OK. The Trigger Component will allow you to get started with the bot. All you need to connect it to a Start Bot Flow or new postback. It has only one output socket. Output, next. Configure Trigger as writing down the keywords for which the bot will trigger separated by a comma and click OK. New Postback Component will allow you to make multiple postbacks through a single bot flow. Each postback will be stored as a standalone postback under the hood. So, you may trigger them later via trigger components if you want. It has one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, next. Configure New Postback is providing title, choose a labels, select a sequence, and click OK. Every component already consists of typing on display per second of typing replies or awaiting mode on an automated bot reply. This is the actual video on the car dealership visual flow builder. You can see here the dock menu and the context menu. With back, rearrange, and save button. Every flow always uses the same components to connect each reply that they wanted to have on their Facebook Messenger. The full view of the visual flow builder. It contains a long component that connected to each other to make the flow more informative and detailed. This is how the flow appears in your Facebook Messenger. Flow Builder output. In making your flow builder, you use the same components, like 3 to 6 components, all throughout until you create your flow. It starts and ends in the main menu. And always back where you started your queries. Now, you're ready to take your car dealership to the next level with Messenger bot applications. It's easy to rent a car, buy a car, and book for inquiries. Having car services on Facebook Messenger, it's easy to reach out to your clients and prospective clients during this pandemic. We are so confident that Messenger bot will change your business. Try it free for 12 months. Join now at https://messengerbot.app/joinnow.